Control the indoor temperature using the climate control buttons and integrated climate control display. The adjustment climate control buttons allow for intuitive climate control. Tap the plus button on the climate control display to adjust the heater and air conditioner on the large screen of the infotainment system. Adjust the temperature, airflow direction, and fan speed to your preferences. If you notice an unpleasant smell while the climate control system is operating, you can replace the climate control air filter yourself. Open the glove box and remove the right damper. Push in both sides of the glove box to lower it. Squeeze the release mechanism of the filter tray cover and remove the climate control air filter. Replace it with a new climate control air filter. After replacing it, reassemble the glove box in the reverse order.
Kia, movement that inspires.